Hey everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on how to insert a picture into an Excel document. So here we have some data around some of our popcorn sales. We've sold some butter popcorn, some kettle corn, cheese popcorn, and plain popcorn. And what we want to do is we want to spruce this up a little bit with a picture. So what we do here is we go up to Insert at the top. We then click on Pictures and Insert Picture from this device. We click on that. It opens up our picker here, and we can choose a photograph that we have on our computer. I'm going to choose this popcorn one, and there we have it. Some nice popcorn with a scooper there, and we can actually resize this by grabbing that corner. We can do that on this side as well, and you can see it maintains the aspect ratio if we grab it from that corner. If we grab it from the middle, it's not going to maintain that aspect ratio, and you're going to see it looks kind of funky and deformed. We can go up here and do an undo on that and say we want to just make it really small. We can drag it up like that, and there we have our image. We can also add in stock images as well. If we click on stock images, there's a bunch of different images that they have here that you can choose to add into your Excel file. And there you have it. So if you like this video, please check out the next one.